Morning children, welcome to today's class. We have already completed our first chapter in April month and already you have got the notes of that. Now we are going to start our second chapter more on MS Windows 7. MS Windows 7 is a kind of operating system and in that first topic is Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program that is efficient for viewing files and folders in MS Windows. Means MS Windows is a kind of program which is efficient for viewing all the files and folders which are available in our computer system in MS Windows. MS Windows is a kind of operating system in that in our computer system whatever files and folders are present, so Windows Explorer will be showing all the files and folders to you. It is suitable for viewing files and folders in a hierarchical order. This hierarchical order can be either alphabetical order or else in order of according to the size. In any of the order according to the alphabet or according to the size it will be showing to you. So Windows Explorer is a program that is efficient for viewing files and folders in MS Windows. It is suitable for viewing files and folders in a hierarchical order. Windows Explorer is very helpful for efficiently organizing files and folders that are stored in different disk drives or a computer system. You are knowing there are different disk drives in our computer system, that is C drive, D drive, E drive. There are different drives in our computer system, means in different Windows like operating system. So in different operating system like we are having different kind of drives. So this Windows Explorer is very helpful for efficiently organizing these files and folders in the different disk drives which are stored in an order. Now opening Windows Explorer. How to open this Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer can be opened in different ways. There are actually two ways. First way, according to the steps, step by step we will be going, or second method is shortcut method. We can use shortcut method also. So first we will see here how to follow the different steps to open this Windows Explorer. To open Windows Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1, click Start button. Where is this Start button? Start button is present at the left corner of the computer system. We will click on that Start button. Second step, click All Programs option. When you click on this Start button, you will get a list of programs. At the top of that, you will get All Programs option. Secondly, you have to click on that. Then third step, when you click on that, you will get a list of options. In that you have to click Accessories option. Accessories option, when you will click, different programs name or the list you will get. So step 4 will be click on the Windows Explorer option. You will get one option, Windows Explorer. You have to click on that. When you click on that Windows Explorer option, you will get the Windows Explorer window on your computer screen. This is the way how you have to open. Opening Windows Explorer. To open Windows Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1, click Start button. You can see on your screen that is step 1, Start button. You are having at the left corner of your computer screen. Click on that Start button. Then step 2, click the All Programs option. Step 2, you can see on your screen. Then step 3, click on accessories option. You can see here on the screen, click accessories. Then fourth step is click the Windows Explorer option. When you click on this Windows Explorer option, your Windows Explorer window will be opened on your computer screen. The shortcut method for opening this Windows Explorer is that on the taskbar. You know where is the taskbar? Taskbar means task or the work what is going on the computer screen. Means whichever program is opened on your computer screen, the name of that you will see at the bottom of the computer screen, that is called as the taskbar. Left side of that you will see various icons. In that you will see Windows Explorer icon also. Click on that Windows Explorer icon. This is the shortcut way in which you can get the Windows Explorer window opened on your computer screen.